Back then in Thailand, frequently my mother liked to call trespassers to join our dinner. Ma-DER-MA-KIN-KAO is how she invited non-family members to grub. The vegetable tray was prepared. There was plenty of food. Spicy sauce or papaya salad plays a big role on it. Obviously, a little party is set. This was a moment of joy to share food and the sense of community.
Hey guys, hi guys. Today I will show you how to do the grilled mackerel serving with salad style with the 3 spicy dipping sauce in the like this wrap. Here I have the grilled mackerel fish and some noodle, the rice vermicelli noodle, peanuts. I'm gonna make today for the special sweet and sour tamarind sauce, okay? Tamarind here and water. We set aside tamarind water, palm sugar, salt, medium high heat, 15 minutes, okay? Alright, I have my mortar. I'm gonna grind the peanuts coarsely. In Thai, the technique we do like circle around the mortar. We call it grong, pounding in the middle. And that's it. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm gonna put in a cup. Okay, and next is roast sesame seeds. Gently grown or a little circle and pound just a little bit. Just to make its aroma coming out. Smell good already. So mix together with the peanuts. Now I'm done with the mortar. Homemade crushed pepper. So I'm gonna add just a little bit in there. Just have a little kick. Sweet and sour tamarind based sauce. The consistency that I'm looking for is like that. Wow. Look at that. Perfect. Stirring. Yum. I have the peanut sweet and sour sauce. I have the som tam spicy salad sauce. And I have the seafood spicy dipping sauce. Ooh, look at those 3. There, garnishing. Ready to taste out. Seafood spicy sour. This is som tam represented the northeastern part. With the para fermented, and this one is peanuts, sweet and sour, and sesame oil, sesame seed, represent the central part, and all 3 are here. For arrange this sauce. I'm so excited!มาเด้อค่ะกินเมี่ยงป่าย่างค่ะ Let's come and eat. That's good. This is our side. This is And I had here the nam para is like spicy papaya sauce. I had tomatoes in there and lime. And para is like, som tam already was served in this kind of deconstruction with the wrap. So satisfied.
so good. Wow. Wow. Wow.ชนะเลิศ Wow. So good. Alright, thank you so much for watching today. If you want me to cook any menu, just comment down below. And it's gonna be like spicy, sassy menu, okay? This kind of menu is very suitable and very good for the little party, you know. This can be good for the party of 3 to 5. So just try it out, impress the guests, and also make the night memorable and also fun to enjoy. You know, enjoy the food, but be cautious about the bones of those fish. You can change to another type of meat or protein, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye.